know what chromium is? Let's watch this video so you know more about chromium. Let's get started. Chromium is a mineral found in many foods. Researchers do not fully understand what chromium does in your body, but it might help you use carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. There are two main forms of chromium. This fact sheet is about chromium-3, the type of chromium found in foods and some dietary supplements. A different type of chromium, called chromium-4, sometimes called hexavalent chromium, is a poisonous byproduct of industrial manufacturing. How much chromium do I need? Scientists do not currently think that chromium is necessary for good health, and chromium deficiency has not been reported in healthy people. However, in 2001, scientists did consider chromium to be an essential nutrient, and they set recommended amounts based on the evidence available at that time. Here are the average daily recommended amounts in micrograms that were established in 2001. Birth to 6 months, 0.2 microgram. Infants 7 to 12 months, 5.5 microgram. Children 1 to 3 years, 11 microgram. Children 4 to 8 years, 15 microgram. Boys 9 to 13 years, 25 microgram. Girls 9 to 13 years, 21 microgram. Teen boys 14 to 18 years, 35 microgram. Teen girls 14 to 18 years, 24 microgram. Adult men 19 to 50 years, 35 microgram. Adult women 19 to 50 years, 25 microgram. Adult men 51 years, 30 microgram. Adult women 51 years, 20 microgram. Pregnant teens 29 microgram. Pregnant women 30 microgram. Breastfeeding teens 44 microgram. Breastfeeding women 45 microgram. What foods provide chromium? Many foods contain chromium. The amount of chromium in fruits and vegetables depends on the amount of chromium in the soil and water in which they were grown. The amount in meat depends on the animal's diet. Using stainless steel equipment to process or cook foods can increase the chromium content of food because small amounts of chromium transfer to the food. You can get recommended amounts of chromium by eating a variety of foods, including the following: meats, such as ham, beef, and turkey; bread and other grain products; vegetables, such as lettuce and green beans; fruit, such as apples and bananas; juices, such as grape, orange, and tomato juices; brewer's yeast and nuts. What kinds of chromium dietary supplements are available? Chromium is available in many dietary supplements, such as multivitamin or mineral supplements and supplements that contain only chromium. Chromium in dietary supplements is in many forms, including chromium picolinate and chromium chloride. Your body absorbs chromium similarly from the different forms used in supplements. What are some effective chromium supplements on health? Scientists are studying chromium supplements to understand whether they affect health. Here are some examples of what this research has shown. Chromium supplements are often promoted to improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. However, studies examining the effects of chromium on high blood sugar levels or diabetes have had mixed results. Some chromium supplements are marketed for weight loss and to reduce body fat and increase muscle mass. However, clinical trials have found only a very small benefit. This benefit is unlikely to make any difference in health or appearance. Can chromium be harmful? Chromium from food and dietary supplements does not appear to cause any harm, but research is limited. People with kidney disease or liver disease should be cautious about taking high amounts of chromium. Does chromium interact with medications or other dietary supplements? Chromium supplements might interact or interfere with medicines that you take. Here are a few examples. Taking chromium together with insulin might cause low blood sugar levels. If you are taking antidiabetic medications such as metformin, taking chromium supplements may cause low blood sugar levels. Levothyroxine is a medication used to treat hypothyroidism. Taking chromium dietary supplements together with levothyroxine might reduce the amount of levothyroxine your body absorbs, so you might not be getting the full effect of the medication. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can learn more about chromium. See you in the next video.